Well, Final Cut Pro X is definitely not doing me any favors. I'm trying to get this vlog up on time. That's my fourth share failed there. Of course, this is a 20-minute, 25-second vlog. But anyway, good Wednesday morning, YouTube. Noah here again today. Today, I think the vlog is going to be a little bit shorter. My last few vlogs have been a bit too long, a bit too much editing. I need to focus more on school for the next few days. But I think I'll vlog a little bit less today, so probably expect like an 8-minute vlog max today. Just kind of bring it back to where I used to be. Anyway, started off getting these filters. These are all cleaned up from yesterday. I'm getting them pictured, and one thing that I'm doing with these filters, first off, I'm pretty sure that I'm going to be selling a lot of these in lots of 2 or lots of 3. Mainly because of the fact that they probably sell for between $8 and $11 singly, and I can get probably $15, which helps a lot with shipping for 2 of them. And then obviously some are going to be sold individually, which I'll show you those when I get them listed. Anyway, let's finish picturing these up. Okay, so the plan today is just kind of touch up on the basics. You always got to practice your basic tricks, otherwise you'll lose them. So let's try bar spins, all directions, all stances, tail whips, all directions, all stances, just a few other things. You kick off the wall triple whips, just basic session today. Nice and quick. Well, I haven't been vlogging a lot tonight. Got a few filters listed there, and I think it's time to take this stuff out of the ultrasonic cleaner. I know that I had to be continued yesterday, and those are still in there from yesterday. So let's take those out. Okay, well, let's dump these out here on this paper towel. Not much of paper towel, actually. It's kind of curled and whatever. And let's get an after picture. I have the before picture in yesterday's vlog, and I'll put it up on the screen now. Here's the after for these. A little bit better from what I can tell. The 1962, the silver quarter there, looking quite a bit shinier. A little bit less dirt in there. Okay, final couple runs through the ultrasonic cleaner. Just gonna put a full penny lot through and a full lot of shiny quarters, just to kind of see what happens. Okay, so that big pile of pennies there. There is the dirt in the water. Kind of cloudy water. Let's pour them out, see what we got. Okay, so just not to prolong this more than it needs to be, I actually poured out both of the different things there. There are the pennies there. And then there are the quarters and dimes and everything. As you can see, they do look pretty reflective and shiny right now. All in all, not exactly sure of the point of the experiment, but I guess I do have a couple of things that you can glean from that. The ultrasonic cleaner is definitely not like a full will polish anything. It's not like a hand polisher, obviously. It's not the magic machine, whatever you want to call it. But it can be a good thing, first of all, as kind of a pre-cleaning method. It can get rid of, it can loosen up any dirt or anything that would be on things, and secondly, it really does add that final shine or polish to certain things. I put my mom's jewelry through there the other day, and it definitely works as advertised. It's meant to be a jewelry cleaner, and that really is what it does. Okay, so another little set of filters pictured here. Definitely a bit of slow listing tonight. Reasonable numbers, but there are filters, remember? Got in late a little bit too. Anyway, here is the second set of photos. All pretty solid. So let's get those listed. It's about an hour till quitting time. I just finished up this listing here. This is a Nikon chrome rim filter, so I want to touch on that for 1 minute. As you can see in this whole stack of Nikon filters, a lot of these are doubled or even tripled up. We had about, let's say, 30 or 40 filters in there, and only 2 of them were chrome rim, which I'd say that's about normal, maybe even a little bit worse than that in a lot of cases. Chrome rim filters for Nikon, basically from probably sometime in the 1940s when Nikon started producing filters for the rangefinder cameras, all the way up until probably like 1970 or just before is when they stopped making chrome rim filters. So basically the difference between chrome rim and black rim filters is that they're older. They're brass and they're chrome plated brass is basically what it is. Some of the later ones that aren't quite as new, like from the 80s or 90s, are actually, whatever this black material they put on there is black coated brass, which actually wears away and looks kind of brassy. And then after that, they use some sort of steel or aluminum on some other things. This is a chrome rim, like I said, chrome plated brass. And this one here is actually aluminum, or aluminium, however you want to pronounce it. So that one still has yet to be looked up, but in this case, that's basically what distinguishes chrome rim from black rim filters, is that they're older. So I find this pretty interesting here. As you can see, 44 results for Nikon L39 52mm. And as for Nikkor, which is the sub-brand of Nikon, or whatever you call it, these are Nikon Nikkor lenses, so they are Nikon brand lenses, Nikkor line lenses. Anyway, these filters are marked Nikkor, so that's why I search for both different terms, and you will find different things with each one. This just goes to show you how scarce these chrome rim filters are. 44 found, as you can see there, and all of them are black rim, except for that one from Japan, which I haven't looked at that one to see if it's in poor shape or whatever. A lot of stuff comes out of Japan nowadays. Japan, Hong Kong, they seem to have a large surplus of camera stuff, and that's ended up on eBay. Anyway, we look for Nikkor, L39, 52mm, you don't find any. The only place you will find some of these chrome rim filters is when you go to complete listings. And in that case, we have one here that's in pretty nice shape, and we've sold them for around that area before, I think more in the $38.99 range, but 50 bucks somebody got for one of those. And then further down, 15. But they just really are scarce, and there's another one there. $13 plus $9 shipping, as you can see from Japan again. This person's marketing as rare. These are hard to find, like I'm saying. Chrome rim. Always looking out for those. In any shape, like we've sold them for like $15, all scratched up in poor shape. This one, there goes my headphones again. Probably lists these up at probably 38 bucks. Okay, well this right here is one of those items that is very hard to find anything on. I'm sure if I did more research, I might be able to find a few things, but Nikon Incorporated USA 85B 52mm filter. As you can see, I did find a few similar ones. These are all black rim. This is actually aluminum and chrome rim. And I also found some sold, very uncommon. So it should be a pretty good sale at probably around $35. Okay, so it's the next day here, and this is where I'm going to end off the vlog for today. Definitely not going to go through all these different filter listings. You saw enough of those as I went through them. Here's the final number on those, $287 total. Not a huge listing day. Let's go put it up on the board, and I'll end the vlog for today. Okay, so there's the final number there, and like I said, that's what I'm going to end off the vlog for today. Thanks for watching. I know it's a little bit shorter than usual, but I definitely needed a little bit of a break from the fast-paced, crazy, long, whatever vlogs. Probably take a little bit off here, but as always, I'm just going to keep on creating content. Anyway, like, comment, subscribe below if you enjoyed. Noah out. Goodbye. Stay tuned for another vlog tomorrow.